show up, we show off. We got the cops called for us, revving up the exhaust.
What's going on, YouTube fam? It's Camaro Crazy coming back at you with a Project Z video. As y'all can tell, she's sitting on a trailer, so y'all know what that means. Got the pickup cleaned up. We're gonna take her to test and tune today. She's got a bog in between first and second gear, and if I can make at least one clean pass with her today, I'll be happy. But I don't know if the bog, it's kind of like comes and goes away. It's got a mind of its own, so as long as I can get like one good decent pass out of her, I think I'll be okay. Yeah, I think we're fucked. What y'all think?
Oh yeah, we screwed.
God damn. How's it going today, everybody? In this pass that you're about to see, the car went 1236 at 109. I knew the car had more in it because I kind of flat-footed leaving the line. It was my first pass in the car. I just wanted to see if it was going to hook, but y'all go ahead and watch this part and we'll talk about it in a second. So I know, but all of you have probably got a million questions. Are you happy with it? Are you happy with those numbers? Yes and no. I know the car has a lot more in it. It's still not tuned. The only thing that's done to it are 410 gears, speed engineering, true dual exhaust, Texas speed engine, 7/8 long tubes, SLP Air Lid, K&N Air Filter, and that's literally about it. That's literally all that's been done. Then speed engineering, pan hard bar, which does nothing but relocate it so you can run true duals over the axle. And it does have a TCI 3000 stall in it. It works really good. And everybody knows, if you watch the previous videos, the 4L60 has been built. It's been built very well. And yeah, that's all that's done to the car. But I'm still having a problem where the two front O2s won't read anything. It keeps throwing O2 no activity sensor code. I don't know the exact code number, but O2s basically adjust your fuel trim. Once it gets warm, it goes into closed loop and yada yada yada, shit that y'all probably don't really want to hear. So I think that's where I'm getting my 1 to 2 shift hit in the fuel cut. Sometimes it does it, sometimes it don't. I've noticed if I clear the car out, which you see me just do in the video, I cleared it out before I made the pass with it. It seems like it acts a little bit better. And if you try to shift it by yourself, it does not like it. It wants to sit there and bang off the rev limiter and do a whole bunch of stupid shit. But in other words, I'm sure a lot of y'all got some questions. I'll be willing to answer that in the comments, whatever y'all have. I am looking into ordering HP tuners, so if any of y'all are familiar with HP tuners, click the link in the Discord, kind of join my personal Discord, join the Dead Memories Discord, message me on Discord, Instagram at BowdenBuilt757, anything. I'm new. I'm probably going to be new to HP tuner, so I'm probably going to need all the help I can get, and I'd really appreciate it. And I'm sure some of y'all are going, holy shit, 12:26, I think. Can I see it? Here's the time slip right here. I'll hold that there for a couple of seconds so you can actually read it. But that's it. So, yeah, that's about all I got for this video. Like I said, if y'all have any comments, any questions, leave a comment down below. I'll do my best to get back to it. So, my name's Camaro Crazy. Y'all take it easy. And if she's easy, take her twice. See y'all.